Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Cup channel. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 9th of February 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. As expected today, Nifty stopped with our square number 15129 and is just hovering around the square number 15129. So what we can expect tomorrow above 15167 if break the swing high and stay for 5 minutes, it means that breakout in the 5 minutes candle we can expect 252 and 15376. Suppose if it is a breaking the lower side 15066.15 for 5 minutes, then we can see 15006, and also we can see 14960, and also we mark this level 14907 level, and the next square natural support at 14884 level. Then we move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today it is a gap up opening and it is went up and taken the resistance from the square number 36481, and it made one swing and broken the swing and came to the next square number. So and then it is hovering around this square number 3600 level, and it is also closed below the reference price 36168. So what we can expect tomorrow above 36275, we can see again back to 36481, and if it sustain above and 5 minutes close above this, we can see 36864. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 35860, we can see 35721, and if it is sustained above, there is a gap to fill 35784 level, this level. If it is filling and is closing below, we may see 35344 level. Let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted ACC, Balkrishna Industry, Bata, BPCL, HDFC, Ramco Cement for long side, and also SRF for the long side. For the short side, I have a Bandhan Bank, Cardila, and Cipla for the short side. Let's go through one by one. Today, ACC, it is a first hour, it is given a very good move, and then it is stopped and hovering around the square number 1764. So what we can expect tomorrow in the hourly chart and the daily chart, it looks very good. So we can expect the upper side breakout 1776 for 5 minutes close. We can see 1786 and 1806.5. And here there are two levels are coinciding. This may act as a strong resistance for this stock. The next stock is Balkrishna Industry. Balkrishna Industry today it is just topped with the square number 1849, and it is at the last minute also it is tried the same level 1850. So what we can expect tomorrow above 1850, we can see 1868 and 1892.5 level. This level will act as a strong resistance for this stock for tomorrow. So next stock is Bata. Bata today gap down opening, and there is a very good pullback rally in the stock, and it is just closed near to the day high. So what we can expect tomorrow above 1602, this high is I marked, we can mark this level, and we have a square number 1600, and yesterday it made a high around 1602, so I marked the highest high level as a swing. So above 1602 we can see 1620 and 1640. This level will act as a strong resistance for this stock for tomorrow. The next stock is BPCL. BPCL, it is just hovering around the midpoint 420.5. So I am expecting above 424.4. We can see 430, 435, and the strong resistance is at 441. The next stock is HDFC. HDFC today morning it is moved very good, but it is stopped with the midpoint 2756.5, and it came down, and again it's just consolidating during the whole day. Does not have any big movement in the stock today. So what I am expecting tomorrow above 2767.8, we can see 2783, 2809 level. This level will act as a strong resistance for this stock. If it is sustained above, we may see 2836, 2862. This will be a remote chance, but we can expect until this area for tomorrow. The next stock is Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement in the daily chart, it given a very good breakout. It's kind of very what we can expect tomorrow above 938.25. It means that today's high, if breaks and close for 5 minutes, we can see 961, 992.5. The next stock is SRF. SRF, it is consolidating near to the square number 5625, and last half an hour we can consider it given a breakout and again back to the 5625 and consolidating here. So my expectation is tomorrow above 5673.6, we can see 5700, and if it is sustained above, we may also see 5776 level for tomorrow. So these are the small levels for this stock. High volatile stock, we can directly look for the square numbers and the midpoints. The next stock is for the short side is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, it is today gap up opening. It is unable to sustain above this level and consolidating during the whole day and slowly came down and closed below the reference price 332.6. So what we can expect tomorrow below 328, we can see 324, and this level may act as a strong support. If it is sustained below, we may also see 318 and 314 level. The next stock is Cordilla. Cordilla, again, it is unable to sustain above the square number 484, and it is also consolidated and closed below the reference price 475.1. So what we can expect tomorrow below 473.65, we can see 465, 464 and 462.5 level. This will act as a strong support for this stock. There is a trend line, it will support this area. So 462.5 may act as a strong support for this stock. So until this, if it is breaking, we may expect until this area. The next stock is Cipla. Cipla, today it is slowly moved up and it does not give any good move. It's always all the candlesticks falling within the candles. Closings are happening like that. It means that the stock does not have any strength. So what we can expect tomorrow below 841, we can see 836 and 822 tomorrow. And if it is sustained below, we may take the support around 812 level. But if breaking this, we may see 10 to 20 points for sure in this stock. And it very remote chance if it is breaking the upper side, but we can also mark the upper side above 859, we can see 870, 865 and 870 level for tomorrow. That's all, friends. I have shortlisted only few stocks, but I have in my list I have more than 15 stocks. But if you discuss more and finally we will not concentrate few stocks and we will avoid the good trades. That's what I am limited the stock picks for the discussion. Okay friends, that's all from my side. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. And if you made profits and please comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.